Young fellow collectors, we get package today. I start open, we'll see what is that. Very bad it open. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. It's kind of feeling at the same time. Box it's fucked. Let's go. Oh! Just holy crap. This looks lovely. Last one box sealed. I hope so it's sealed, we'll see. What do we get? Someone packed it very well. This knife we can throw it to rubbish bin. This is completely shit. Can even cut the paper. Oh, jeez.
Okay. Lightsaber Duel.
Yeah, cool. Jesus.
Ooh.
Lovely packing.
From the top.
Be careful, mate. This is expensive $700 box.
No.
Yes, for me it's expensive. Oh yeah.
Oh yes. Let's see if it works.
This works.
If it doesn't work, we throw it to the bin.
No,
we throw it to the bin. Rubbish.
Rubbish again, the battery. Jesus Christ, what is the problem with this? Try me Juges Moi. Juges Moi, from where is this coming from? Minifigure battery is not replaced. It's a bullshit, of course, because you can change the battery.
Yeah, we have them already.
But you need to open the box, so it will be not sealed anymore. So this is how it's look. 7257. Close.
Close.
And when you buy, you get 2 boys. You can play with them too if you want. Oh, look, you can build something else. We have 3 already, so maybe we can build something like this. This will be nice. Anyway, we are very disappointed again because his battery doesn't work. So
it belongs to the streets.
So it's a fucking rubbish.
And subscribe.
See ya, bye.